Being completely free and having more than 2 billion monthly active users, infinite things are happening on WhatsApp, and it has cemented itself as a significant part and parcel of our lives. But it uses neither ads nor subscription fees to gain profit. Then how does it make money when its services are free of cost? Does this question baffle your mind as well? If yes, then welcome to our channel, and today I'll give all the answers to your doubts about how WhatsApp makes money. In this video, we will trace the journey of sources of revenue of WhatsApp, the monetization model it used early on, it uses currently, and its plans to use in the future. So while we do all this, make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to like it. Early days, subscription-based model. Founded in 2009 by former Yahoo employees Brian Acton and Jan Koum, WhatsApp originally was a pay-to-use app. It had a subscription model and required its users to pay subscription fee at $1 at download and then yearly additional fee of $1 with the first year of use being free of cost. Interestingly, it tends to extend the free service period every time a user reaches close to the expiry date. This was considered a nominal fee at the time, and since users were willing to pay that low price, the business moved forward under that model. Its growing popularity increased not only its revenue, but also its share of the market. At the peak under this model, WhatsApp had nearly 700 million users, and yearly revenue can be estimated at $700 million per year at that time. The Facebook acquisition/connection. WhatsApp, a pun for "what's up," gained popularity when its encrypted messages were stored on users' phones only instead of company servers, making it private and safe. Facebook bought WhatsApp in 2014 for $19 billion when it had 400 million monthly active users worldwide. But was it really worth it for this record-breaking acquisition? And being free, how does Facebook earn revenue off of WhatsApp to keep it going? Surprisingly, even without displaying any ads, WhatsApp thrived under Facebook, growing from 450 million users at the time of acquisition to over 1.6 billion in 2020, making it Facebook's second biggest property. So how is WhatsApp making its money under the new leadership? New leadership, a different revenue model. In January 2016, Facebook revealed in a 10-Q filing that WhatsApp was not generating meaningful revenue in the long term, so a change was needed. Shortly after, WhatsApp eventually moved the $1 fee announced that its services would now be free of cost for everyone, with the idea that consumers would communicate with businesses through it and businesses would pick up the cost. In 2018, WhatsApp launched a separate app, WhatsApp Business, free to use for all businesses and allowing small business accounts to communicate. Having over 3 million active users, they can build their verified business profile on WhatsApp along with links to their websites and social media and integrate the WhatsApp for Business API. Now we'll discuss the current and future models of money monetization under new leadership. Current model. WhatsApp makes money through two sources, the first being WhatsApp for Business API and the second click to WhatsApp ads. Potential revenue for WhatsApp is estimated to be $5 billion and the average revenue per user to be $4 in 2020. 1. WhatsApp for Business API. After launching WhatsApp Business in 2018, WhatsApp announced inception of its most robust revenue-earning product, WhatsApp Business API. This new product helps businesses serve customers on WhatsApp and is a self-hosted solution for enterprises to reach, connect, and respond to customers automatically. They can use WhatsApp Business API to send customized notifications with relevant, non-promotional content such as movie ticket bookings, food confirmations, appointment reminders, or event tickets to people known to them beforehand or have contacted them first. Now, the only clause here is, even if a business has your phone number, they need your consent to send out the message, but they can only do so paying the charges for access to the API. Simple as that. Furthermore, WhatsApp decided to pursue a strategic framework to generate revenue from this API by charging registered businesses for slow replies. In simple terms, if businesses respond to messages from customers after 24 hours, they would be charged for every message they sent, which makes sure for end users that they can expect timely service and thus making WhatsApp more preferable and reliable for them. Business can reply manually utilizing apps like Twilio, Zendesk, or MessageBird. Only a month after the launch of the WhatsApp Business API, big tech companies like Netflix, Uber and Wish, and 100 others had already started testing the service by utilizing it to bring WhatsApp functionality into their communication channels, and for larger companies like Netflix and Uber, using WhatsApp as even one of their messaging platforms has the potential to generate large amounts of revenue for WhatsApp. 2. Click to WhatsApp ads. If you use Facebook, then most probably you'll already have WhatsApp installed on your phone. Now, imagine while browsing through your Facebook feed, you see an ad for something cool. Wouldn't it be so convenient to directly get in touch with someone from the company? That's exactly what Click to WhatsApp ads do. The Send Message button allows users to ask queries directly to the business over WhatsApp, reducing barrier to communication and simply saving the precious time of all. So, apart from charging businesses for slow replies, another revenue stream comes from Click to WhatsApp ads which redirect users from Facebook to WhatsApp. Since these ads are displayed on Facebook and not in the WhatsApp app, attributing the revenue of these ads entirely to WhatsApp would be incorrect, but it likely contributes more significantly to the $5 billion in revenue. Future model. Having nearly 2 billion active users, WhatsApp is planning potential future revenue sources to identify monetization methods. If the average user has the potential to bring in $4 annually, this leads to a revenue potential of $8 billion. And since they are only generating $5 billion from ads and business-level upgrades, this could lead to running the service at a loss. Going ahead, WhatsApp is planning to further monetize the app by introducing ads in the status section and rolling out WhatsApp Payment and many more. Let's have a look at them in detail. 1. Ads in the status section. Like ads operate on Facebook, Instagram, and other popular apps, WhatsApp is testing the rollout of ads within the status section, making ads even more present than before. Although some privacy concerns are present because of sharing user data in order to produce ads, the ads themselves will not be too intrusive on the user's main screen, and you will need to swipe up in order to view the full ad. 2. Payment processing and money transfer. While WhatsApp Pay hasn't fully launched yet, it has been in the works for quite some time now, and the company is working on integrating WhatsApp Payment worldwide. This payment processing service is similar to PayPal or Venmo, and it will make it easy for WhatsApp Business app users to receive payments from their customers without asking them to leave the chat screen. If users choose to consolidate their activity of sending money and messaging onto one app, then WhatsApp can generate larger amounts of revenue in the future. Somewhere around 2018 and 2019, WhatsApp received permission to test out WhatsApp Pay. It's still being tested in different countries and is currently available in Brazil. 3. User metrics. WhatsApp is starting to provide a suite that includes insight into user metrics, which are very valuable to businesses in understanding user behavior patterns. This attractive tool would be an additional charge on top of free access to the basic package. 4. Shopping. WhatsApp announced on October 22, 2020 on its blog that it will enable users to make purchases directly from within their WhatsApp chat through Facebook Shops, which is an online store launched in May. Final thoughts. As the days are passing, WhatsApp is getting better and bigger, and it is exploring new ways to increase its revenue. Intriguing, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you clear your confusion regarding the revenue sources of WhatsApp. If you wish to drop any other ideas to increase revenue, go ahead and drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then subscribe it now and hit the bell icon to stay tuned with our latest videos. That's all for today.